Big Nick, man. Wrecking Yard, boy. Yeah, going hard, boy. Hey, look out. Look out. Yeah. Hey. Good times that we had, let's get back where we used to be. My habits and my actions got you feeling like you're losing me. Fulfillment in my cup, yeah, drowning in my sorrow. Got a many problem and I don't know how to solve them. Incomplete without you. One day I chose to marry you. Some things in the back of my head often cause a barrier. Shyness to a heartbreak, make me keep my heart hid. Guess you catching a backlash for what the mother bitches did. It's hard to see clear, overshadowed by the nag. And a real big turn off that'll really make you dash quick. It has been a many temptation looked by the devil. I know I done some things that dig deep like a shovel. On the cool we both have. Take a look at your past. You've even done some things that make it hard for me to go past. Ventilation out thick. For breath I take a big grasp. For us to call it quit with time invested would be so sad. Nick.